All right, so I thought I would do a gallons per day where we're given specific gravity. So here we've got a flow of 20 mgd coming into the plant. We're going to dose with alum, aluminum sulfate, the most popular primary coagulant in the United States. The alum is a 48% solution. It's got a specific gravity of 1.366. And so the gallons per day formula is really using pounds per gallon in the bottom of the equation, but they've given us this 1.366. So what do we do with that? Well, we can do it as a two-step problem, or we can do it as a one-step problem. So we know that specific gravity times 8.34 will yield pounds per gallon. 1.366 times 8.34. 11.39 pounds per gallon. And so that's perfectly fine. You can do that ahead of time if you like, or you can just set it up as a one-step problem. 20 mgd times a dose of 25 milligrams per liter times 8.34. And let's do our item modifiers. So the item modifier is 48% as a decimal number. And so here we could just kind of do like this, 1.366 times 8.34. And I've kind of put these in parentheses, but really the product of this times this times this would all work out to be, a pretty good number. So 20 times 25 times 8.34, 4170. And when I'm doing these on the state exam, I'll actually do them kind of longhand like this. And do it like this number divided by this number and see if I get an answer. And if I don't, then sometimes I'll do a double check here to make sure that I calculated these numbers right. 48% as a decimal number times 1.366, 8.34 says 5.468. And again, this is known as active weight. I don't know that you'll see an active weight problem on a state exam, but it is active weight. So 4170 divided by the active weight says that I'm going to need 762.57 gallons, 48% solution to make it happen. Now, the one thing that you want to do is if you're doing this 4160 and you haven't solved this bottom number by the product of these three multiplied together, just make sure that you divide by 48% as a decimal number, divided by the specific gravity, divided by 8.34. Don't divide and then multiply by those two. You'll get the wrong answer.